Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti, and today I have my 5 skincare that I'm obsessed with. These are really good. My skin loves this thing. So let's start. Summer is here, so it's my time to find a good summer appropriate sunscreen that doesn't feel greasy or sticky, heavy. I don't need that. And something that soothes my skin, that feels calming, that also provides barrier support, because during summertime my skin feels extra red. It reacts more than usual, I think due to summer heat. And for that, put simple is Bitter Sun sunscreen is awesome. I love it. I have spoken about this before as well. I started using this last year, I think, and I love it because it has awesome texture. The ingredients are really good. You have new generation sunscreen filters. It has sunscreen filters like Tinosorb M, Uvinul T 50 and Uvinul A Plus for broad spectrum UV protection with niacinamide and ceramides to take care of skin barrier. And this new generation sunscreen filters are sensitive skin friendly. It also has centella acetica extract and allantoin to soothe the skin. It is a fragrance-free formulation. This broad spectrum sunscreen has lighter texture that absorbs easily with minimal blending and leaves soft velvety finish. It also feels hydrating and creates smoother base for makeup, acting as a moisturizer and primer. It doesn't create a white cast or leave any chalky residue. See how glowy and plump my skin looks. With this one, you can skip moisturizer during daytime, to be very honest, and can work for all skin types including sensitive skin, because it supports your skin barrier enough. It feels hydrating, nourishing enough while it gives the protection against UV rays, but it doesn't feel too much. It's just the perfect amount of hydration, nourishment, and a very good amount of sun protection. And throughout wearing this sunscreen, I've noticed it doesn't settle into that dry, that patchy finish. It doesn't make my skin look dull, which I really like, because there are sunscreens that end up making my skin look dull, which I don't like, but this one didn't do that. It gave this very beautiful glow to my skin. And yeah, I really love the formulation. This is one of the best sunscreens we have out there, and this is very easy to apply because it sinks in so beautifully. I just wish they came with a bigger bottle for this, because I love this so much. So I appreciate 100 ml for this, and I think you'd love this too. And next I have one toner that is wonderful. This is from SoonJung from Etude House. This is their SoonJung pH 55 toner. If you want a soothing hydrating toner, then you can go for this one. You get a good quantity. You get 350 ml of product, so it's gonna last you for a long time. And yeah, I really love it. It does the job, and for summer it's gonna be wonderful. But I just wish they had this spray packaging that would be easier to use, you know. And then I had this cleanser from Wishtrend. I have not used a creamy cleanser like this before, but it gives enough foam. It cleanses my skin without drying. Also, I've tried their powder cleanser, which is very nice as well, and this is awesome, very good. Also, I tried this ceramide serum, which is great too. I'm going to talk about it later, but yeah, this is a good cleanser. Next, I have this serum from Round Lab. This is their pine tree serum. There are people who ask me for serums that are not too much, not too strong, that can support their skin barrier, that can hydrate, soothe for them. This is gonna be wonderful. Texture is so lightweight, yet it hydrates the skin beautifully, it soothes, and yeah, very good product, to be very honest. And for summer, this is gonna be perfect. I mean, a serum that can tackle my skin issues like redness, skin irritation, dehydration. This is it. Lastly, I have this cream from Dr. Petit, Vitamin K cream. I have never tried anything with vitamin K before. I didn't know it is so effective, you know. It soothes my skin so beautifully. Yeah, in this video you're gonna see all skin soothing skincare products. For summertime, this is the concern I get. My skin gets irritated very easily, so I like to use hydrating, soothing, calming skincare, and this is so good. This vitamin K cream, you can apply this under your eyes as well. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.